Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Tutorials. The Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the past questions, the pursuing past questions of some universities. We are going to start with BUK, Bayero University, Kano. Choose the word or group of words that best completes the sentence. Choose the word or group of words that best complete the sentence. We have Musa was disappointed and decided to take it dash Marian. Musa was disappointed and decided to take it dash Marian. Off on option A. B. Out in. C. Off from. D. Out on. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D. Out on. To take something out on someone means to treat someone badly because you are upset or angry, even if the person has done nothing wrong. So the sentence should read, Musa was disappointed and said to take it out on Marianne. Let's see another question from BUK. We have, she can sing dash as our thought. She can sing dash as our thought. We have option A, so well, B, good, C, well, and D, as well. The correct answer to this question is option D, as well. When expressing that something is as much or as truly as, you should use as well as. Okay? Use as well as to express that something is as truly as or as much as. For example, she was able to explain the topic as much as she understood. This means that she was able to explain the topic as truly as to the same level that she understood it. The next university we'll consider is IMSU, Imo State University. We have, when I arrived, I noticed that Adha dashed the kitchen. We have option A, has swept, B, has swept, C, is sweeping, and D, will sweep. Now, the correct answer to this question is option B, had swept. This question is on the plural perfect tense, also called the past perfect tense. It's used in describing two actions that took place in the past. Two actions that started in the past and were concluded in the past. And when we have a sentence like that, the tense is formed using subject plus had plus the past participle of the main verb. Okay, the subject plus had plus the past participle of the main verb. That is in a sentence that talks about two actions that took place in the past. For example, I had eaten before I went to work. I had eaten before I went to work. Now we have two actions in this sentence. We have the action of eating and the action of going, okay? And in the sentence I used had because the two actions took place in the past, the action of eating and the action of going. So when you have a sentence that talks about two actions that happened in the past, that started in the past and were concluded in the past, use the subject plus had plus the past participle of the main verb. Okay, the next university we're going to consider is University of Ibadan, UI. Which of the following sentences is correct? We have option A. The dog wagged his tail. The dog wagged his tail. The dog wagged his tail, and the dog wagged his tail. The correct answer to this question is option B. The dog wagged his tail without an apostrophe before or after S. Option A is incorrect because the is you have there is a contracted form of it is, so it's not correct. You don't say wagged it is tail, so it's wrong. Option B, we have is tail. The is you have there shows that the tail belongs to the dog. Option C, what is tail with an apostrophe after S is incorrect because we don't have a word like that where you have apostrophe after S in the word is. Now option D, wagged his tail is incorrect in this sentence because the gender of the dog is not specified. So the most appropriate one is option B, wagged his tail. Let's see another question from UI, University of Ibadan. We have Bella and I love each other. The capitalized voice is A, preposition, B, reciprocal pronoun, C. Noun phrase. D. Adjective phrase. The correct answer to this question is option C. Noun phrase. I believe you already know that a phrase is a group of related words without a finite verb. Now, the words below and I, below is a noun, and is a conjunction, and I is a pronoun. So the underlined words, the capitalized words is devoid of a verb, so it's a phrase. Now, what kind of a phrase is it? I've discussed on this channel how to identify a noun phrase. To identify a noun phrase, try replacing the underlined words, or in this case capitalized words, with words like thing, something, someone, somebody, or some people. If the sentence still makes sense after replacing the underlined words or capitalized words with any of these words, then know that is a noun phrase. A noun phrase functions as a subject or object of a verb. It functions as a subject or object of a verb. And in this case, this noun phrase functions as the subject of the verb love. Alright guys, that's the last question I'll consider in this video. Please make sure to watch my other videos on post-CME past questions. This is the fourth episode of my series on post-CME past questions. I've done 3 other videos on post-CME past questions from different universities. Okay, please make sure you watch my other videos to see the lessons I've given on post-CME past questions. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. If you're watching on Facebook, please make sure you follow this page. And if you're watching on TikTok, please endeavor to follow as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.